Let's multiply 37 by 14 using algebra. 37 can be written as 30 plus 7, and then 14 can be written as 10 plus 4. And we are going to use the FOIL method. Same thing when you are multiplying polynomials. The first terms are 30 and 10. And then the outer terms are going to be 30 and 4. The inner terms will be 7 and 10. And then the last terms will be 7 and 4. We multiply 30 by 10. That will give us 300. Then we multiply the outer terms. It will give us 120. The product of the inner terms is 70, and finally the product of the last terms is 28. And then we are going to add the product of the sum of the products, rather 300 plus 120 plus 70 plus 28. That is going to be 518, and that is our final answer.